Right, you just saw the state of that cupboard. I've been chucking my clamps in there, and every time I want to get a clamp out, they're all tangled up. I pull everything off the flipping shelf, and it is doing my head in. So today, we are going to sort that problem out. Right, well, if you haven't guessed already what I'm going to be making, I'm going to be making a clamp rack. So I'm going to be using 80mm MDF, which I've been given. So I'd rather use 80mm ply, to be honest, but as I was given the MDF and I haven't got no ply, I'm going to be using the MDF. So the first thing with any build is to cut the individual pieces down to size, and I do that on a table saw. So I've decided I want to add some dados or rebates, rabbits, grooves, whatever you want to call them, because I think this will give me a great surface area for gluing and will make it a lot stronger. So to cut the rebates or grooves, dados, rabbits, whatever you want to call it, I'm just going to do that on a table saw by running the piece through the blade, adjusting the fence slightly, and then I just repeat that until I've removed all the material that I need to remove. And that's how they look. And then I simply repeat the steps I've just done to make all the other grooves, rebates, rabbits. And it's as simple as that. Right, so basically what we've got, that's the basic shape. It's not glued together, as you can see. These bits I'm going to shape up, so the front of this bit is flush with the end of these pieces, and I've got to cut a back out, which I need to cut a rebate in to accept this bit, and that'll just add a bit more strength and rigidity to the whole thing. Now I'm going to cut the back out to the right width, but I'm not going to cut the height of it yet. It all goes together like so, and as you can see, if I spin it round, the back's going to sit within. Yes, you can see these bits, but because this is the back, you're not going to see that anyway. And from the front, you can't see them. So now I've got to work out which bits I want to round over just to soften up the edges a bit, and I've got to mark out and cut some slots where the clamps are going to go. So originally I was going to do this on the table saw using my crosscut sled, but the blade wouldn't raise high enough, so I opted to do it on the bandsaw instead, and to be fair, they came out alright. And as I'm not worried about 100% accuracy, they turned out great. And here I'm just cutting a curved shape onto the side pieces at the front, just to remove the corners. So with all the pieces cut and sanded, I can now start gluing the pieces together. And to start with, I'm just going to glue and clamp the pieces in position. Then once the glue's dry, I can remove the clamps, drill some pilot holes, countersink the holes, and drive in a load of screws, and it should be fairly strong. Right guys, that is another job I can tick off the list. I've got a few other clamps, but these are the ones that I tend to use most of the time, so I'm gonna stick with that for now. I might just make the front of the slots a little bit wider, just to make it a bit easier getting them in and out, but other than that, I'm definitely happy with the way it turned out. If you're a regular subscriber, then cheers for watching the videos and supporting the channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're not yet subscribed and you like woodworking videos or workshop related videos, then hit that subscribe button, tap the little bell icon, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. There's going to be quite a few changes, big changes in the workshop. I've been in here about 11 months now, and there's definitely some changes that I need to make, that being the cupboards that I've got at the end of the workshop and my small mitre cabinet that I built. I don't want to spoil things and tell you exactly what I'm going to be doing, but if you want to see the changes as they happen, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. So, hope you enjoyed this little video, and in the meantime, stay safe, look after yourself and your loved ones, and you'll see me in the next video. Cheers for watching.